Having resolve can sometimes mean making the decision to say no. Here is a quick story to illustrate what I mean. Susan Bishop is the founder of Bishop Partners, a successful executive search firm. When her firm was new, she was approached by a high visibility client. She agreed to work with them even though she had heard through the grapevine that they were difficult and even abusive. The grapevine was right. Her new client did not cooperate, made her job difficult, and even delayed paying her fee, even though she had fulfilled the agreement. Fast forward 7 years, when a similar client approached her, she declined the work with them. Susan was resilient in making sure she chose the right clients, ones that were lucrative and profitable. I'm sure you know someone, or maybe you have been in that position yourself. You work with a client, even though that little voice in your head tells you it is a bad idea. Here's the thing. If you're not going to be fulfilled working with a client, you are better off turning them down. Based on my experience, there is always another client you'll be able to work with. No one needs to work with someone they consider high maintenance. Be resilient in making sure you make the right decision, even if that decision is no. I have been in this position myself. If I know a client won't listen or wants to second guess me constantly, I won't work with them. Don't get me wrong, I don't expect a client to take everything I say at face value, but I do expect them to let me do what they are paying me to do. Otherwise, what's the point? Sometimes saying no communicates a powerful message to your clients and potential clients that you are selective and particular. If you are constantly struggling because you are having to manage difficult clients, you need to be more resilient in choosing to say no. Instead of trying to make everyone happy, choose the right people to work with. You'll be more fulfilled. And my guess is your business will improve as well. Don't be afraid to just say no.